As we know, the rainy season, dey come with plenty poultry disease. We get disease like sea and rodent wey be chronic respiratory disease. Example of dis disease na we have something like mycoplasma, cough, sneezing, stunted growth, etc. What about the viral disease? We get the like of Newcastle, gumboro, fowl typhoid and others. Even coccidiosis wey be the parasitic disease, dem dey very rampant during dis rainy season, and dis kind disease fit kill your bird plenty, and birds dey die well well during dis rainy season. So now, how you go take raise your poultry birds successfully during the rainy season? One, make you maintain wetin dem dey call biosecurity. Wetin be biosecurity? Biosecurity na the different procedure and measure or ways wey you take dey prevent the spread of poultry disease for your poultry farm. Wetin be some of the method to take follow biosecurity? Clean your poultry house. No give your bird dirty water or contaminated water. Give your bird good food. Try to dey check on your bird. Dis one go help to prevent the spread of disease. Another thing wey you go do na to keep your poultry house warm. As we know, the weather dey very cold and bird no dey too like cold weather. So e dey very important make you keep your poultry house warm. You fit use charcoal heater, electric boiler or your electric bulb. E go help keep the place warm and comfortable for the birds. Another thing na to keep the bedding dry. If you dey use wood shavings, newspaper or rice chaff, make sure say dem dey dry make disease no enter your poultry house. Another thing na to vaccinate your poultry birds. Wetin be vaccination? Vaccination na the process of giving your bird vaccine. So vaccination dey very important. You fit give dem Newcastle disease vaccination wey be Lasota. You fit give dem gumboro wey be IBM vaccination. Another thing to do na to give your bird drugs. Yes, drugs dey very important because e dey help to prevent and cure disease. You fit give dem anti-coccidiosis, antiviral or even antibiotics. E go really help the birds. Another thing wey you go do na to give your bird clean water. Yes, e dey very important make you give your bird clean water. No give dem water wey don spoil or wey dey contaminated because e go affect the birds. The last thing wey you fit do na to give your bird food wey dey healthy. No give dem contaminated food. Make the food wey you give dem make e dey very healthy, because contaminated food e go really affect your poultry bird. So when you do all this one, you go fit raise your poultry bird successfully during this rainy season, and you no go get high mortality. I hope say una enjoy the video. Subscribe to DIY Farm. Follow our Facebook page. Continue to watch our video. Share the video. All this.